that y'all been asking for. Y'all been asking me about it, like I run the company, you know what I mean? It's here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is going to be a quick summer easy style. But if you watched my intro, which you did because you're here right now, you know that Kinky Tresses, my faves, have launched a sample pack. No, I'm honestly super hyped for many reasons. I'm gonna quickly go over the 4 items that come in the sample pack, what it's all about, and then I'll style my hair using what products? You guessed it, Kinky Tresses products. If you're not new here, you already know those are my people. What better way to introduce you guys to their new sample pack, their new launch, by then a cute summer hairstyle and a cute little travel theme video. Okay, I'm doing too much. I'm sorry, this is literally who I am. So in the sample pack, you're going to get the essentials, you know what I mean? You're gonna get the shampoo, a conditioner, the leave-in, and the coconut mango hair butter. So all you guys that have wanted to try them out and asking me a bunch of questions on my DMs and always tagging me in posts and asking me about them, you can now buy this sample pack for $20. $20. And you can test it out yourself and fall in love and buy full size. Like, honestly, I know her plan and it's gonna work because it's gonna work. And if you are a traveler, if you sail the 7 seas, I'm doing a lot today. If you're a traveler and you want to have an item that's good for travel, you can go ahead and get the sample pack. There's no need for long talking. My faves have launched a sample pack and I want you guys to go get it for $20, test it out, and fall in love. Or if you're a traveler and you already love their items, you can get the sample pack, take it with you when you know, booked and busy, you know what I mean? And for those of you that have just like randomly came to my video and don't know anything about this brand, it's a Black owned brand and they have all natural products and they work amazing on kinky hair. I have type 4 hair, I have high porosity hair, I have hair that likes to be dry, okay? But with these products, I don't have those problems. And the products are formulated for people that have extremely dry or brittle hair. Hello, hi, I'm Lexi. That's me. Stay tuned for the styling. Click down below for some more info and to purchase your newly launched, I'm so proud of them, your newly launched sample kit. You guys know I'm not an intricate braider, twister, styler person, so it's gonna be really simple. So I just put my finger across my hair like this, where the bangs naturally fall like right about here. I do it again on this side. And you can always have more or less bangs depending on your preference. And then I take the rest of my hair and I'm gonna pull it into a ponytail type of situation. And I'm gonna take one of these like little hair ties, the ouchless kind. Don't pull your hair out, ladies. The ouchless kind, I'm gonna just put it around my head as if I'm going to do a low ponytail, which I kinda am not. And then I'm gonna bring the ponytail holder up some towards the front of my hair and just kind of stretch it around my hair like this. And now I'm gonna just fluff and pull and fluff and pull. I like to do this when my hair is freshly twisted, like a fresh twist out, so that my hair will stay defined for longer and it'll get some shape, because this is gonna like elongate and stretch my hair out. I'm gonna take both of my hands and just pull it like this, because it's gonna give it some more volume. It's gonna tighten that ponytail holder and make your hair look bigger. Now I'm gonna add a head tie scarf. This is the kind that has the fabric in the front and then it has like the scrunchy elastic in the back. Before my hair grew a little bit more, I had a hard time getting my hair to kind of hang. So this scarf just helps to push it forward. I'm going to just scrunch it down a little bit so it's not super like big and bulky. And it's the thin size that I like it to be. And now we're going to get back into the puff because it kind of got shrunken, right? I feel like we always think we have to go extra and dramatic with the hairstyles, but for someone like me that's super simple, I absolutely love these quick and easy yet like unclockable chic hairstyles. So let me know down below what you think about it. Let me know if you've ever tried Kinky Tresses, if you're gonna buy the kit. Let me know if you receive your kit and you have some thoughts, comments, questions, and concerns. Go ahead and leave them down below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe as usual, and make sure before you leave to click the bell so YouTube will notify you when I post a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. What am I doing with my hands?